What's up, guys and girls? I'm about to install a twin turbo kit in my Subaru BRZ. It's gonna go from slow to even slower. Check it out. Here's the kit. Yeah, buddy. I know you've seen these twin turbo kits before, and some of you have installed them, but you're gonna get a first-hand look into how to do it the right way or the wrong way. Anyway, all I have to do is find out where they are, basically. There's one right down there, and I think there's another one somewhere under there. But let's hear what it sounds like before. That's weak sauce, right? Weak sauce. Look, now it looks a lot better, right? My hair isn't so gnarly. JDM West Side, son. Anyway, let's get to crack-a-lacking on this thing, shall we? Let's see, what do we got under here? Aha, here it is. There's a stock horn. And where's the other stock horn? Come on, baby, where you at? Huh. There it is, right here. We got both our horns. One here and one here. So these horns only have one wire going to it. See that? One wire. So that means I'm gonna have to add an additional ground, make a little ground harness for these twin turbos right here. Yeah. So these are the red horns, okay? The super tone. There's also another one that it's like a more neon looking yellowish color or whatever. Those are gonna be more of a high pitch sound, and these are going to be the more low pitch and deafening sound. That's what I want. Take it out of the package here. So there's two terminals, one for positive and one for negative. So I'm going to have to make a ground terminal, and basically I'm just going to make two short ground terminals for the horns. The twin turbos, and make them work. If I just plug it into one, it won't work. Gotta have ground and power, positive and negative. Since this car already has kind of a relay and fuse system, I'm just gonna hook it up to the stock system. It should be good enough. Okay, here we go. We got, this horn is out. It's only got one wire, and that's gonna be the power wire, and then the horn is grounded through the chassis up there. So I'm going to wire it like this. See, I just made a connector to plug in for the ground, like that. And then the other end goes up here to be hooked up with the bolt. And then just plug it in right there. The other one, however, this one has power and ground. So that one is going to be clipped right there. And I'm going to run two of these connectors on there. And it'll be good to go. And then I'll have my Bluetooth twin turbos ready to spool up at a moment's notice whenever I need to race. A V6 Camaro, 4-cylinder Mustang, or 2.7 liter Challenger, and then I can actually beat them, maybe. All right, boys and girls. Yeah, there it is. There's the other one right there, chilling up there, ready to go. Let's see what it sounds like. Wow, that's freaking freaking Wow, that's freaking loud as heck. Oh my God. Well, all done. Twin turbo install. Let me know what you think. Peace.